Okuruga obw'ekitiiso ky'omwani kireetwa omw'ishengyero lihanga okubasa kuhanurwaho abanyishengyero ahamwe n'abantu ba buriijo ekitiiso kikahembwamu omuriro gutari kuraara barikwereka obutashemererwa aha nshonga egi kandi barikushaba ngu ekitongore ekya UCDA kireke nk'oku kibaire kiri kugira ngu kitagiitwa omu ministry eby'obuhingi ahamwe n'oburiisa.
Our colleagues here are just thinking about merging. We are talking about livelihoods. We are talking about our lives. This is not about merging one organization and the other. We are saying this agency has the sole responsibility of regulating coffee industry in this nation.
Wanyuma y'ebyo byona ebyizire nibibaho Minister Elizoba yarugayo okugira byashoborera aha mwani.
Tukora just kucyuza abana bakugu ab'ekitongole kya government kya UCDA ntibagira babera batura mu ministry ate bongera okukora omulimo UCDA obwebale ekola bacha kuba bali mu ministry nga department ekyo tekikyusa enkola y'okulima omwanyi mu ggwanga oba okutunda omwanyi mu ggwanga oba standards z'omwanyi.
Government yareba ngu teine kurinda okuguma nibagigambirira ebigambo byingi ekyarugiriraho Minister Dr. Chris Baryomonsi okurugayo akayongera kushoborora omurimo ogu government erikwenda okubasa kwekwatiramu.
Turukukora ka government no kugira ngu ebitongole bimwe bya government tubigarure omuli za ministry ezabizeire rero dibase kukora kurungi.
Ogu yajumirira enkora y'abanyishengyero na munonga bari kwa kanisa government aha nkora eyiba kwasiremu eshonga egi ngu teriyo buntu.
Kubya parliament sijja kulekana so twagala arguments eziri credible eziri intellectual.
Aha nshonga eyo kubaganisamo abantu mu nganda aha nshonga z'omwani Chris Baryomonsi yashoborora ngu tihine obubasize kubaganisamo mu nganda ngu abo kuba ti Buganda yonka ngu nehingo omwani.
The coffee of the Baganda is being taken. Who is uprooting coffee in Buganda? Nobody.
Baryomonsi yagira ngo abanyishengyero abari kwa kanisa ekitiiso eki bakozise ekintu eki okubasa kwerondera karuru ahamwe n'enshonga zabo nk'abantu ahamwe na n'okushisha izina lya government ngu bari kugamba tibabyetegerize ngu bariyo nibagambira eryo.
Nibegambirira tibarikutugambirira twena kandi abo nijabo bari omuryo by'ubwebembezi kusheya politics ibyo barimu ningo bundi eshonga tibagikengire kurungi turi kugamba.
Aha niho yashabira abanyishengyero okubasa kwa eshonga eziri kubakwataho baba bariyo mu ishengyero zibase kukoraho kutari kugenda nibagamba bari kwenda.
Members of parliament who are just making it a tribal issue, making it sensational. I think a number of them are just politicking. I saw even members of parliament who have never spoken in parliament also speak. Even those who fear the microphone also standing up to shout. If you have a credible argument which is persuasive, you ask the speaker to give you a platform and you speak through the microphone and you get on record.
Omuringo nigo gumwe ogu yayanjura ngu obwahati government eshaziremu okwihaho ekitongore ekya umeme obujunanizibwa obwo kugabira abantu amashanyarazi omurimo yagwegaruriza ngu kandi ekitongore eki nikija kureka emirimo yacho omwaka guri kwija.
Emyaka ebire hoire tukashara munka government mufituru kwija kukikiriza kugumizamu endagano egi yawaho namwenu esigize nyeze 5 yonka nija kubanewa omukwezi kwa kabiri omwaka 2025 kandi turukwija kugaruka kutomukono aligejo ndagano so ebya umeme nibyija kuweraho.
Contract ya umeme neza kwija kwaho omukwezi kwa kashatu omwaka gwa 2025 bwanyuma yo gukora okumara emyaka eri kwikama 20. Amakuru aga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Sky TV Nshonga.